था. They're a popular designer. मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. अगर मुझे खुद अकेले तैयार होना होता है then like 10 मिनट, लेकिन अगर मुझे किसी इवेंट में तैयार होना होता है then I'm very fortunate कि मेरी लाइफ में हेयर एंड मेकअप जो जिनको आता है, जिन्होंने सीखा है, ऐसे लोग हैं जो सब कुछ कर देते हैं. तो मुझे बस चेयर पे बैठना होता है और I have to let them work their magic. So for like 45 minutes. I'm sure थोड़ी बहुत तो रहती होगी. कभी जो जा रहे होते हैं, I'm usually a little later than him in getting ready. But what can you do? I'm a girl. It's difficult to say any one person in particular. I think I don't know. No one in particular. I think Ranveer, as I always say, is a huge risk taker. His sense of style is an act of bravery. Ranveer, I think, dresses, a little bit more relaxed. But I think both of them have a very, very different kind of style. So it's very difficult to choose between the two of them.
And if you get a chance to change any style in the Khans, what would you change?
Change their sense of style. I think it's very difficult to, or you should not try and change anybody's style, because I think style, according to me, is a very, very personal thing. It is an extension of who you are as a person and how you feel on a particular day. So, no point changing anybody, because that's who they are. Then you're trying to like alter with how they are as people. So no point. And what's the big deal? It's fine. Let people dress the way they want to dress. It doesn't have. It's not so important to look perfect. I mean, come on, it's just clothes. It's fine.
Would you like to share your beauty secrets? I know it won't be a secret anymore if you reveal them, but still, would you like to reveal your beauty secrets?
I think you should just like have good thoughts. I think when you think nicely and you feel like, you feel good and positive, then you look nice. I mean, that's the case with me. If I'm in a shit mood, then I look bad. I'm going to start shooting for Karan's film now very soon, which I'm very nervous and very excited about. I feel like पिछले 7-8 महीनों में मैंने बस फिल्में रिलीज करी हैं, तो मुझे लग रहा है मुझे एक्टिंग करना मैं भूल गई हूँ. So I'm looking forward to going back to my real job, which is to act. So that will happen now, and that's the thing I'm looking forward to. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks a lot. Bye.
अभी तो हुआ.